And back here at home, local parishioners are praying for the health of the pontiff. A mass is getting underway right now around the region, including at the Basilica of the National Shrine of Immaculate Conception. And that is where we find our Jacqueline Quinn. Jacqueline, good morning to you.
Good morning. Mass should be starting just under 30 minutes here at 7:30. That's the first Mass service. And likely we will hear the priest talk to the parishioners, asking for prayers for the 88-year-old Pope, who has been here since he has become the Pope since 2013. And also he has had a close connection here to D.C. in the United States. We last saw him visit D.C., the Basilica here, along with St. Patrick's in 2015. Now, we know that he is seen as the leader of the Catholic Church, but many in the Christian faith and outside of the Christian faiths also recognize him as a spiritual leader. And, going back to his visit back here in 2015, he brought out large crowds. It was part of his North American tour at the time, stopping first in Cuba before coming here to the Basilica. And he also stopped at St. Patrick's Church. Then he went on to Philly and in New York, the United Nations. So it was seen as a diplomatic visit at the time there. And now a lot of people hearing that the Pope was in critical condition, are worried, especially because he has gotten infections before, but we know each time is different.
Before he went to the hospital, suffers from chronic lung disease. And so when you take chronic lung disease, and then on top of that, it seems like he probably had some kind of upper respiratory infection that became more complicated, probably a virus that then became bacterial, and now there's reports of fungus. So with each layer, it's getting more and more complex.
Now, the latest information we have right now from the Vatican, again, this update from this morning, is that the Pope had a tranquil night, but still remains in critical condition. And the Pope also wrote a letter that was released this Sunday saying that he thanks the doctors and nurses and the prayers, and he's asking for continued prayers. For now, I'll send it back to you, Marcella.
All right, Jacqueline Quinn, thank you so much. We appreciate it. And in about 30